Dream it because it's possible. What you dream, you are able to achieve it. And let me tell you, don't despise your dream. Value your dream and depend on God to achieve your dream. Your dream, it's a seed, and a seed can feed nation. So be strong, value your dream. And life is about dream it, discover it. You discover it, then decide to use it and develop it. You can make something useful. Those who are earning today, they discovered what they had and they were able to use it to develop it. There are things that look useless, but they're useful. Wealth is hidden, but you need to discover. Hi, how are you? This is Syaviha, Mulengya, Kasitolohe. The author of the book, You Have a Bright Future, Do Not Give Up. The other book, Secret for the Single, a great book on relationship. Secret of Successful Teen and Youth. And this book is titled, Men Are Crying, Women Are Weeping. A great book on marriage. If you are married, get this book. If you intend to get married, this is a great book for you. A book that these books will lift you, will lead you, and will guide you and become a great and a better person. Today we'll be talking about how to make it useful. That what you have is not small. It's you who look at it. You know, there are things that we look at them useless, but some people are making money out of it. And wealth is for the wise. The wise are able to see and they're able to start something and they're able to search and keep searching. You find what you're looking for. And let me tell you that it's the artists that give a shape to something. You can give a shape to something. Yesterday I was talking to my brother Collins, who was telling me that a friend is making money out of mere grass. That never discovered that indeed we can make something. Out of something, the useless thing, you can make something useful. How to make something useful, that's what we'll be talking about. Please watch this video up to the end. I'll be giving you about 5 things that you need to do if you want to make something useful. What do you need to do? One thing that you need to remember, that what you have is useful. With what you have, you can get what you need. But one thing, that you need to treasure what you have. That's one thing. Treasure everything that you have and open your eyes. Sometimes we look for answers elsewhere when the solutions are within us and are with us. You may think that, no, I think if I could get this and that, I think I could be better. But let me tell you, answers, solutions are not far. They are within us. So you need to treasure what you have. You need to treat it well and talk good about what you have. Sometimes those who have are the people who don't value what they have. And something that I discovered, in fact, I work with couples and I've come to realize those who have good wives, they don't value them. You find them looking for some, yes, mistress outside there. Those who have wonderful husband, they don't value them. If you don't value and treasure what you have, you'll not enjoy it. you'll not be able to excel, and you'll not be able to progress. You need to enjoy it. You need to treasure it for you to enjoy it. So, how do you make something useful? First, you need to treasure it, treat it well, and talk about it. And take it to the next step. You need to take it to the next. Don't remain at the same level. Take what you have to the next step. And one thing that you need to remember, discover who you are and what you have and why you live. And above all, ask God to open your eyes that you'll be able to see the hidden things. They are the hidden things that somewhere that you need. Make sure that these things are there. Those hidden things, they will help you. So, discover when you discover. What are some of the things that we always make useless? How can we make them useful? There are about 4 things that we always make useless, but that are useful. One is our time. We don't take care of our time. Time is key. Time is very, very important. The second thing that we always take useless, that are useful, is our treasure, the thing we have around us. The third thing is our training. People went to school and then they took whatever they learn in school, they are not using it. Yes, and that's something that you need to know. And the fourth thing that people always take for granted that are useful is their talents. We have many, many people who are gifted, but few people are using their gift. So the time, the talent, the training, and the treasure need to be valued. You need to appreciate them. Appreciate what you have and accept that you have something. If you don't use what you have to remain useful, so you need to discover it. And let me tell you, you have hot stuff. What you have is a useful thing. Even life itself is so precious that we take it for granted. The fact that you can speak, the fact that you can see, the fact that you can stand, these are a great asset. But how do you make it useful? You need to love what you have and like it. Learn from what you have and look at it. Protect what you have. If you don't protect it, you lose it. When you lose it, you remain the same. When you lose it, you regret. When you lose it, you'll be miserable. Value what you have. You have hot stuff, these great things. Don't look down on them. I've talked about a talent, and I said life is about, you need to dream it. Dream it and do it. And discover, develop, and decide. And you need to be strong. If you are strong, you'll be able to start, to stand, and succeed. When you are strong, you'll finish. You'll find joy. You fight fear. And you free yourself from frustration. So you need, life's about becoming strong. And you have wealth. The wealth you have, you need to discover it. Don't look down on what you have. Make it useful. Open your eyes. What do I have? How can I make it? And let me tell you, it's someone who gives value to whatever they have. Sometimes we wait for people to tell us, no one told me that I can speak, but I felt. In fact, some people told me this and that. I don't listen to those who don't make sense. I know who I am. I know what I have. And I know what I can deliver. So you need to know that you are very, very important. So never look down on your talent, on your time, on your treasure, on your training. Use them well. Treasure them. Treat them well. Talk about them. And tell yourself something great. And also take it to the next level. And above all, think big. Think big if you want to make something happen. You can make it happen. It's up to you. Are you sleeping on your training, on your talent, on your time, on your treasure? Are you sleeping? Don't sleep on them. Wake up, work, you win. You are a winner. As a winner, don't stay at the same level. Thank you so much for watching. This is Syaviha. Please subscribe, share, and say something. I'm so happy talking to you. And make something useful. You can make it happen. It's you to decide. It is your time. Don't wait for the perfect time. This is the time.